सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके देवी नारायणी नमोऽस्तु ते नारायणी नमोऽस्तु ते।
And we will celebrate birthday. Whose birthday? Everyone's birthday. And the goal of life, self-realization. Serve and express the glory of the self through your graceful actions. Love and spread the aroma of the blossoms of divine communion. Meditate and share your peace with the world through sublime thoughts and divine feelings, through words of wisdom that trickle down from the mount of the cosmic mind into the valley of your heart. Rend asunder the veil of ignorance by the light of intuitive wisdom, and behold your own limitless glory in self-realization. You have blown out the candle. And I'm presenting in the form of acronym, birthday, that you can remember easily. That's the great art of remembrance. When you create an acronym and put so many points together, you can remember so many things. Good for students to know. Now, the acronym for birthday, B.I.R.T.H.D.A.Y. B, blessings of human birth. As a human being, Manushyatvam, Mumukshvatvam, Mahapurusha Sanshaya, you have the possibility of being human being who expresses the spirit of humanity for Vishwa Kalyan. Manushyatva. And as a human being, you have the potentiality to realize your soul as Shiva. Jiva is Shiva. So that's aspiration to lead the soul to self-realization. That's called mumukshutvam. And in order to have mumukshutvam, satsanga, mahapurusha sanshaya. So all this refers to blessing. First letter B. Second letter I. Initiation into Ishta Mantra. That opens the gateway to your spiritual journey. Initiation into mantra. Ishta Mantra. And Shortest Ishta Mantra is just Om, Om, Om. But all different Ishta Mantras, they spice up your spiritual movement. Om Shri Gurave Namah. Om Shri Ramaya Namah. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Aim Saraswatyai Namah. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namah. And all these are simple samples. There are lots of mantras. Devi mantras. And every mantra is leading you to the same God. The source behind all is worshipped through all different mantras. It's like all the rivers from different directions flow into the ocean. So all your mantras flow into the ocean of God realization. Or rise to practice integral yoga. If you are not practicing integral yoga in your daily life, you are still sleeping. But you are handling your life with skill, turning your action into karma yoga. Along with karma yoga, allowing your feeling to develop love. Love for serving God in all. Your karma yoga is a process of serving. And whom are you serving? God. So every duty you do, you are a doctor, you are a surgeon, what you did, you are serving God. And so you have karma, your feeling begins to develop into bhakti, and your willing movement, the will, what should I do? That's well disciplined by Raja Yoga, Dhyana Yoga. Your mind has the ability to enjoy meditation. So you do not make a rush in holding a will, this is what I want to do. No. The will that you hold is in tune with God's will. And therefore, that will comes in your mind, you enjoy tremendous peace. It's not your responsibility, it's will. And coming to Jnana Yoga, you live to experience enlightenment and to promote enlightenment in others, called Jnana Yajna. So all that relates to the term R, rise to practice integral yoga. T, remember, Satyameva Jayate, truth alone triumphs. T, truth, triumph. If you remember that, it will be source of divine energy within yourself, that you don't yourself know how much energy you have and how many wonderful things you can do. But when you bang upon your head, Gadapari, truth alone triumphs, truth alone triumphs. So don't wish for your ego to jump up and triumph. All egoistic forces, don't worry about that, they cannot triumph. Truth alone triumphs. H. Now we take harmonium and sing this song. Sarve bhavantu sukhina. Sarve santu niramaya. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Ma kaschid dukha bhava. And then coming to day. D. Dedication and devotion. Kayena vacha manasendriyeva buddhyatmana va pratisvabhavat karoma yadyat sakalam parasmai narayanayeti samarpayami. Turn your whole personality, everything that you do, kayena, by your body, vacha, by your words, manasa, and deep down, every aspect of your personality, whatever you are doing is worship of God. Your whole life is stream of worship. A. Adornment. Never come out in ugly dress. You come out with a mind full of anger, hatred. That's the ugly dress of your soul. Never come out with it. Develop divine virtues. Have the earrings, so wonderful that always glistens to listen. The glory of God. How wonderful earrings. And so forth. Be decked with wonderful ornaments of divine virtue, from the toes to the head. And why yoga sadhana? For self-realization. Complete union. Any step that you take towards self-realization has immense value, spiritual value. And I will give you one quotation from a Vedantic scripture. Snatam tena samasta tirtha salile sarvapi datta vani yajna chanam chakritam sahasram akila devascha sampujita sansaracha samudhrita swapitara sarvasya pujyopsyapyasau yasya brahma vicharane kshanamapi स्थैर्यं मनः प्राप्नुयात्. He whose mind becomes focused on Brahman, leading your mind to that type of spiritual chintan and vichar that culminates it, Aham Brahma. Any step you are taking towards that's equal to, then he has thereby, as if taken a bath in all the holy rivers. He has given the entire earth in charity, has performed all the yajnas, has worshipped all the gods. He has become most adorable, Brahman, the Absolute. I have nothing else to say. Now, my prayer that may divine grace shower on you and have amazing life, a life of wonder with You will see yourself not wandering, but wonder of wonders. Shivoham, Shivoham. Oh, oh, oh. त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकबन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षयमामृतात्। ओम सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय। ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। सर्वमंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते। May all your cherished wishes be fulfilled. And cherished wishes, realizing being truly healthy, sthit prajna. Until then you are in hospital. And be careful. You have a good riddle. Everyone has to solve it. Okay. Hari Om. Shri Ram, Shri Ram, Shri Ram.
You can put it right here, Pooja.
Hari Om, Hari Om. Hari Om, Hari Om. Hari Om. Every one of you is Swami. Happy birthday to all of you. Hari Om.